TAO PO, the OG Pinoy Doorbell. No doorbell? No problem. Filipinos have been yelling TAO PO for centuries. Welcome to the Philippines, and where you don't ring a bell, you yell for humans. Yep, not dogs, not ghosts, just humans. TAO PO. Translation. Is there a person in there? Imagine you're outside the gate, sun blazing, holding heavy groceries. Do you press a doorbell? Nope. You shout with all your heart, TAO PO! Like it's a spell to summon someone from another realm. Bonus points if you shout it 3 times. Louder each round. Like a Pokemon powering up. TAO PO! TAO PO! TAO PO! And if no one comes out, just shake the gate like a tambourine, rattle, rattle, instant alarm system. Filipinos. No high-tech needed. Just lungs, volume, and a little faith someone's listening behind the curtain. Ever shouted TAO PO until your voice cracked? Tell me your funniest no doorbell moment below.